Turn those hard-earned Costco rewards into instant savings on your next online haul a circumflex euros. It's easier than you think to redeem your Costco reward certificate online. First things first, head over to Costco.com and log into your membership account. You'll find the login area usually in the top right corner of the page. Make sure you're using the email address and password associated with your Costco membership. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for a section dedicated to reward certificates or membership. Rewards. This is where you'll see any available certificates you've earned. You should see your available Costco reward certificate listed. If it's not automatically applied, there might be a button to add to account or redeem now. Click on that to link your certificate to your account for online use. Now start shopping. Add your desired items to your cart as you normally would when you're ready to check out. Click on the shopping cart icon. On the checkout page, you'll see a dedicated area for applying rewards or discounts. Your Costco reward certificate should automatically appear as a potential discount to apply. If, for some reason, it doesn't, look for an option to manually add it, often by entering a code or barcode. Select your reward certificate to apply it to your order. You'll immediately see the discount reflected in your total. Confirm that the reward has been applied correctly before proceeding to payment. And that's it. Your Costco reward certificate has been successfully redeemed, instantly saving you money on your online purchase. Happy shopping and happy saving.